GK Kids!
Wake up, sleepy sun. A brand new day has just begun. The sky is stretching clouds so wide. The birds are singing side by side. The rooster shouts cock-a-doodle-doo. The morning breeze comes dancing too. The dewdrops sparkle on the grass like tiny diamonds made of glass. Here they come, hip hooray, the magical morning parade today. Marching feet and happy sounds as magic wakes the world around. The butterflies flutter in rainbow rows, tickling daisies with their toes. Ladybugs play the tiny drums, and buzz bees hum as each one comes. A bunny twirls with carrot sticks, doing funny hopping tricks. Squirrels wiggle with fluffy tails, carrying nuts like tiny kiles. The tall giraffe taps on the trees, leaves rustle like musical keys. Elephants stomp with big loud feet, thud thud rub a steady beat. The monkeys swing from vine to vine, laughing ooh ooh ee in a perfect line. The lion joins with a gentle roar, not scary, friendly, like never before. The ocean claps its foamy hands, welcoming fish from far off lands. Dolphins spin and leap so high, waving good morning to the sky. Mountains wear hats made of mist, sunbeams form a golden twist. Flowers wake with a twirl and bloom, perfume dancing in every room. Everyone cheers, everyone sways, celebrating bright new days. The sun smiles wide up in the air, sprinkling golden warmth everywhere. So whenever morning calls your name, jump up and join the magical game. With open eyes and hearts so bright, parade along with morning